150 is now the conservative. That last year, that was the crazy number. We still think that's unreasonable, but we had to come up a little bit because the level of demand, potential load growth there is just so extreme. If the goals for meeting demand growth from AI are going to be met, they really have to be met by renewables and storage. And so Congress may at some point figure this out, and they may make some choices to at least extend tax credits until gas supply can keep up, if nothing else. We're still going to be constrained by reality. We're still going to be constrained by project finance. We're still going to be constrained by labor. We're still going to be constrained by permitting, interconnection processes, et cetera. And so just because the load forecast goes crazy doesn't mean that load can go crazy. But winter peak is only going to become a bigger problem over time, right? So if we look at ERCOT's peak demand forecast, summer and winter are actually getting quite a bit closer together over the next 5 or so years.
We've never seen load growth, at least in the last, 4 decades, close to what we're seeing today. Massive structural change in terms of demand, and I'd say the supply resources as well.